help people to be calm, to be relaxed.
Okay.
Try this one first.
Throw it into the oil.
His mother and his culture and a foreign retreat. We were ready to go.
Do you have that written down somewhere in your book, or do you remember what it was? Let's just go through and recap. You do? Do you have that? What would that allow me to do? Very fortunate people to have this situation put to you that you could actually create this, if this is what you wanted, just the way I have.
For me, being a warrior woman who is fearless, who shine her brightest.
I think a warrior woman focused.
Warrior woman to me is someone who has the courage to do something they believe in.
So a warrior woman to me is strength and courage.
Warrior woman is strong. She knows how to relax and also how to release. She's fearless. She goes after her ambitions and after her vision. She knows what she wants out of life and how to achieve it.